How to get a list of UK importers in 5 minutes for free. I'll show you how to use a custom report plus GPT for that. But before this, let's take a look at the report. This is a special application made at corpsignals.com. So I have chosen some commodity codes in this report. These codes are used by customs to track goods when they cross borders. So I choose chemicals and allied industries. Next I can review all of them. What C codes are for those importers: manufacturing, wholesale, retail trade, and so on. This is a special debug report to understand if I have chosen the proper HS codes or not. Next I can go to the companies. It contains all data about companies: company number, company name, number of employees, current assets, first import date, last import date, average months traded. Next, go to the directors and owners. As you can see, it also contains company names, but it also contains director names, which is very important when you try to sell them. Something to these companies: officers, roles, occupations, whether he or she is an owner or not. So this is just a perfect report. By the way, you can click on this link. This is a headline: directors and owners of the UK, and download. Results using this download button. You can get it in any format such as Excel and then import this file into your CRM system. The same thing we can do with companies. Just click on this first link, Company Importers UK, and we can use the same button. Just do it. Next, what we can do? How we can create this report? Because it's not easy to choose those commodity HS codes. We will use ChatGPT for that. So we need to open ChatGPT. I will use just a very simple prompt. Please provide me with British commodity codes. ChatGPT knows those HS codes, so it can easily help us. I will just use a description of I got from some Chinese company. Okay, click here. As you can see, all codes start from the 3204. It's very important for us, and we will use this information. Just remember it. We know those codes. Next step. Go to the website corpsignals.com. Click on the app link at the top right corner. This one. You will be redirected to the authorization page. I have an existing account, but you have to just click on the sign up link and go through the registration process. Okay, sign in. Next, from the main page, just go to the reports navigator, UK Importer Finder here, this link. Click on it. Okay, there are no HS codes. As you remember, all of our codes start with 3204. We can choose all these codes for simplicity. Filter, yeah. Okay, I think the first line is okay, chemicals. The second line looks strange, animals and animal products. I think I made a mistake. Let's go back to the HS codes. Look at them. Oh wow, this code is wrong, the first one. Let's remove it. Go down and click update filter. Yeah, perfect. Chemicals and allied industries. Here you can review SIC codes. And also you can see detailed HS codes here. This is just for debug purposes. Next we can go to the companies. Okay. This information, company number, company names, and so on. Also, you can go to the website corpsignals.com and review the detailed information about this company. So this one. Okay, go back. The same thing we can do with directors. It also contains a person's website, so you can see their role in which company, so you can see just here two companies. Okay, go back. And again, you can download the results. Just click on the first link in this report, the right on the top link. You can click here at the bottom right corner, download results, and choose the format you need. So thank you very much for listening to me. If you need any assistance, just write to my partner James Brown at corpsignals.com. If you want to play with the report, please do so, and I will help you if you have any questions. Thank you very much.